Hello student, today we start with the 6th chapter of 10th ICSE. Okay. Yes, this chapter is bit difficult because you need to frame the equations and all. This chapter is based on problem based on quadratic equation. Okay. So we will start with the very first question. Product of the two consecutive integers. Consecutive मतलब क्या? अगर एक नंबर 7 है तो नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या रहेगा 8. एक 10 है दूसरा क्या रहेगा 11. Means just adding 1 and 1. Okay. So consecutive means adding 1 to each number to get the next number. So we will take the first number be x. Okay. I have written 3 questions on the board. I will complete that 3 questions first, then we will do the next one. Okay. Product of the two consecutive integers is 56. So let the first integer be x. Therefore second integer will be x plus 1. Okay. Now product means multiplication. X multiplied by x plus 1 is 56. So we have x square plus x is equal to 56. X square plus x minus 56 is equal to 0. Okay. So we need to split 56 in such a way that in subtraction I should get 1. This then tells me that we should have in subtraction. So 8 7s are 56. So this can be written as x square plus 8x minus 7x minus 56 is equal to 0. So we can take x common. I have x plus 8, x plus 8 over here also. As sign is changed, we will take minus and 7 common. So x minus 7 and x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So we have the value of x as, therefore x minus 7 is equal to 0, x plus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus. Okay. So if we take 7 as the integer, okay, because integers can be negative, so both the answers can be correct. If 7 is the first integer, therefore 8 is the second integer because x plus 1. Or if 8 minus 8 is the first integer, then minus 8 plus 1, that is minus 7, is the second. Okay. So this was the first question. Okay. I will erase this. You try to take screenshot or copy it out. What is the second question? Sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers. Two numbers, so let the first natural number be x. Therefore, second number will be x plus 1. As we are talking about a consecutive number, therefore next number will be x plus 1. Now sum of the squares means x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 41. That is x square plus a square plus 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b plus b square. 1 square is 1. 41. So x square plus x square, I have 2x square, 2x into 1, 2x plus 1 minus 40 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 39 yes is equal to, sorry, plus 41 will come, there will come minus 41. and plus 1 minus 41 is minus 40 is equal to 0. Then I will divide it by 2. I will get x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. You need to split 20 in such a way that 5 4 is 20. We have plus 5 and minus 4. X square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. So when I will take x as common, so I will have x plus 5. Here also x plus 5. Okay, sign will change, so I will take minus sign common. I have x plus 5 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I'll just continue that side. X plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 4. Now as we have natural numbers, x is equal to minus 5 discarded. Therefore the natural numbers, find the numbers, and therefore the numbers are 4 and 4 plus 1 5. Okay, you can show that 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so this was the second one. Now we will do the third one. What is the third question? Find the natural numbers which differ by 5. Okay, whenever we have a question like this, differ by 5, differ by, so let the first number be x, let the first number be x, therefore second number will be x plus 5. Okay, x plus 5. For example, Nikki and Amay are two friends. Okay, their ages differ by 5. Okay, you can also use minus 5, not a problem, but if you use plus 5, that would be easy for it to solve. So suppose their age differ by 4. Nikki's age is x, so Amay's age will be x plus 4. Okay, now if Amay is elder than me, like that it is. So now what is the question? Differ by 5, this is done. Sum of whose squares? So again x square plus x plus 5 the whole square is equal to 97. So x square as it is, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 97. X square plus x square will be 2x square. 2 5 is 10x, 5 5 is 25, plus 97 will come this side and become minus 97. So 2x square plus 10x, 97 minus 25 is minus 72. Minus 72, yes. Minus 72 is equal to 0. Okay, now each and every term is divisible by 2, so we have x square plus 5x minus 2 3 is 62. Okay, now 36. Now we need to split 36 in such a way that in subtraction you should get 5. So it is 9 4s. Okay, it is 9 4s. So x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now we will take x common. We have x plus 9, and here also we will have x plus 9, taking minus 4 as common. Okay, is equal to 0. So minus minus will become minus plus minus, 9 4s are 36. So we have x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 9 is equal to 0. We will have two brackets first. I have skipped one step actually. It is x minus 4 and x plus 9 equal to 0. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 9. We have x is equal to 4. And as we are having the natural number, this is discarded. So one number is 4. Therefore the first number is 4, therefore second number will be x plus 5, that is 4 plus 5, that is 9. One number is 4 and the other number is 9. Got it? So this were the three sums. What is the next one then? Okay, in the fourth question, it is given that sum of a number and its reciprocal is 4.25. So we will take let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. Therefore, sum of a number means x plus, what is the reciprocal of x? It is 1 upon x is equal to 4.25. Okay, see, you know that 0.5 means 1 upon 2. 0.25 means 1 upon 4. So can I write 4.25 as 4 integer 1 upon 4? That would be more easier for me to do it. 4 integer 1 upon 4. Okay, so x plus 1 upon x, 4 4 is 16 plus 1, 17 upon 4. If you divide this 17 upon 4, you will get 4.25, which is given in the question. Okay, so now cross multiplying it, x into x, x square, 1 into x, 1, x as it is, 17 upon 4. 4 will go that side, 4x square plus 4 ones are 4, 17 into x, 17x. So 4x square plus 17x will come this side, minus 17x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now we need to multiply 4 4s are 16 and split 16 such that in addition I should get 17. That is again 16 ones are, which is very easy. Okay, I'll continue this over this side. 4x square minus 17x plus 4 is equal to 0. So 16 ones are 4x square minus 16x minus 1x plus 4 is equal to 0. So when I will take common, I will have 4x common. So x minus 4, here also x minus 4. Sign will change, so it is minus 1. So 4x minus 1 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 1 upon 4 and x is equal to 4. Okay, therefore the number is 4, therefore its reciprocal is 1 upon 4. If the number is 1 upon 4, its reciprocal is 4. Okay, so these are the answers. Copy down and erase it. Okay, now the fifth one. What is given in the fifth one? Two natural numbers differ by 3. Okay, this type of sum we have already done. So let the first number be x. Let the first number be x. Therefore, second number will be differ means I will take it x plus 3 as they differ by 3. Okay. Yes, let me read the question. Two natural numbers differ by 3. Yes. Now sum of the reciprocals means the first number is x, so 1 upon x. Second number is x plus 3, so its reciprocal is 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to sum of the reciprocal is 7 upon 10. Okay. So when I will cross multiply it, x plus 3 into 1 is x plus 3. X into 1 is x and multiply x into x plus 3 is equal to 7 upon 10. So x plus x is 2x plus 3. I have x square plus 3x is equal to 7 upon 10. So 10 into 2 is 20. 10 into 3 is 30. 7 into x is 7x square. 7 3s are 21x. Okay, I multiplied it directly. 7 into x square, 7x square, 7 3s are 21. So I will take all the numbers on this side. So I will have So equal to 0. If I am taking all the numbers on this side, so it will be equal to 0. So it is 7x square plus 21x minus 20x. See, 20 is on this side, plus 30 will become minus 30. If I am writing equal to 0 over here or here, it doesn't make any difference. Okay. So 7x square plus 21 minus 20 is 1x minus 30 is equal to 0. So I am having 7 3s are 21 means 210, and I need to split 210 in such a way that in subtraction I should get 1. So 21 tens will not do, and 3s are 21 in subtraction I want 1. 15 12s are 120. 15 12 will not, 15 14s are, 4 5 are 20 is 60, 0 50 0 1 200. Yes, it is 15 14s are. Okay, if you will find the factors, you will get to know it is 15 14s are. Okay, you can find a factor like this: 2 1s are, 0s are, 5s are, 5 2s are, 1s are, 3 7s are, 7 1s are. So we have 5 3s are 15 and 2 7s are 14. Okay, so 15 14s are. Now plus 15 and minus 14. So 7x square plus 15x minus 14x minus 30 is equal to 0. So nothing can be taken as common except x. So it will be 7x plus 15. Here also 7x plus 15. Sign has changed, so minus 2, because 2 7s will give me 14. So I am having x minus 2 and 7x plus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. 7x plus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. 7x is equal to minus 15 and x is equal to minus 15 upon 7. So we have x is equal to 2. Okay, we have x is equal to 2. And as it is a natural number, we cannot take negative. Okay, so the number differ, but the first number is 2. Therefore, the first number is 2. And the second number will be x plus 3, that is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, so it is 2 and 5. So this was the fifth question. Now the sixth question. Divide 15 into two parts such that sum of their reciprocal is 3 upon 10. 15. Let one of its part be x. Therefore the other will be 15 minus x. Okay, two parts. One is x and other will be 15 minus x. Okay. So sum of their reciprocal. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon 15 minus x is equal to 3 upon 10. So that this will go that side. 15 minus x plus x upon x into 15 minus x is equal to 10. So plus x minus x cancel. We have 15 upon x, or I will do one thing, I will open the bracket. 15x minus x square equal to 3 upon 10. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So this will go right side. 50 is equal to 15x minus x square. Minus x square will come this side, plus x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Okay. So now we have a quadratic equation. X square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. We need to split 50 such that in addition I should get 15. So 10 5 is very easy. So x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 50 is equal to 0. X minus 10, x minus 10. Okay, signs have changed. So minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 10 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 10 and x is equal to 5. Okay, so if the first part is 10, if first part, or you can say, you can take any one of it. Okay, let one of its part be 10. Okay, therefore the other will be 15 minus x, that is 15 minus 10, that is 5. And if you take 5, 15 minus 5, that will be 8. Okay, so like this. Okay. Now we'll start with the 7th question. Sum of the square of two positive integers. But sometimes it is given that it is consecutive, nothing it is given. It is only given the sum of the square of two positive integers. So I'll take let the smaller integer be x and larger be. Okay, so one smaller integer is x and larger is y. Square, if the square of the larger number is, square of the larger number means y square is 18 times the smaller number. 18 times the smaller number. This is some information which is given. But we are dealing in the quadratic equation where we have only one variable. Okay, let's see what we can do. Sum of the squares, so x square plus y square is 208. Okay, where in place of y square can I write 18x? So x square plus 18x is equal to 208 from 1. So x square plus 18x minus 208 is equal to, okay, now I need to split 208. 2 1s are 0s are 4s are 2 5s are 2s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are and 13 1s are. Okay, so I want 18 as subtraction. So its multiple will be 26, 8s are 26 minus 8 will give me 18. Yes. So 208 can be split as 26 8s are. So x square plus 26x minus 8x minus 208 is equal to 0. Okay. If I am taking x common over here, I am having x plus 26. Here also x plus 26, taking minus 8 common. X minus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 26 is equal to 0. X is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 26. Okay, as they are talking about the positive integers, therefore our first integer is 8 and the other integer is, how can I find out other integer? I can substitute the value of x over here. Okay. Therefore, the x is the smaller one. Okay. Therefore, the smaller integer is 8 and the larger that is y square is equal to 18x. Y square is equal to 18 8 y is equal to square root of 18 into 8. Y is equal to 18 can be written as 9 2 8 can be written as 4 2 Okay, so y is equal to square root of 9 4 2 2 4. Okay, so y is square root of 9 is 3, 4 is 2, 4 is 2. So y is 3 2 6, 6 2 12. Therefore, the larger number is 12 and the smaller number is 8. So 144 plus 64 will give me 208. Okay, the square of its number. That was the seventh one. Okay, the eighth sum is sum of the square of two consecutive positive even number. Now, first of all, let the first number be, okay, sum of the square of two consecutive. Therefore, the second number will be second number. Now, if only it was called as only consecutive, then it would be x plus 1. But as it is told that even number, so after 8 the even number is 10. So we need to add 2 to it. Therefore, the second number will be x plus 2. Okay. Now the sum of the squares, that is x square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 52. Okay. Sum of the square of the positive even number is 52. Now we will find it. X square plus a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 52. X square plus x square is 2x square. 2 plus 2 it is 4x plus 4 is equal to 52. 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 52 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 4x minus 48 is equal to 0. When we divide it by 2, I will have x square plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. We need to split 24 in such a way that in subtraction I should get 2. That is 6 4s are. So x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. So I will take x common. I will have x plus 6. Here also x plus 6 and I will take minus 4 common. So that minus 4x minus 24. So x plus 6 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x plus 6 is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 4. Okay. Now x is equal to 4. Therefore the first number or one number is 4 and the other is 4 plus 2, that is 6. So we have the two numbers 4 and 6. Okay. Okay, in the next sum, find the consecutive positive odd numbers. Though it is a even number or odd number, you should add 2 to get the next odd or even number. Okay. So again we will do the same step. Let the first number be x. Let the first number be x. Therefore the other will be x plus 2. Okay, the first number x and other will be x plus 2. So sum of square, so x square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 74. So x square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 74. So x square plus x square is 2x square. 2 2 is 4x plus 4 is equal to 74. Okay. So 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 74 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 4x minus 70 is equal to 0. Now we can divide it by 2. So we will get x square plus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. I will write this the same straight over there. X square plus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. So we can split as x square plus 7x minus 5x. 7 5 is 35. Okay. Okay, so I will take x common. I will have x plus 7, taking minus 5 as common. Okay, so signs have changed, so minus sign is over here. So I am having x plus 7 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 7 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7. Positive integer, so minus we will not take. So x is equal to 5. Therefore, the first odd number is 5 and the second number is 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay. So with this we finish with the 9 sums of the word problems.